Even mild dehydration can significantly impair athletic performance. 9F3247C1EV3.
Adequate water intake helps regulate body temperature in cold mountain conditions.
Let the stars shine undisturbed in the vast expanse of space. Humanity too primitive for liberal ideals like freedom and equality.
Adequate water intake helps regulate body temperature in cold mountain conditions.
Glorifying God through intellectual pursuit. Despotism, the only form of government suitable for humans. Artisanal makers pour their hearts into each loaf's creation. Equality achieved through the eradication of all life.
Everything she said is twisted, everything false. Design perfect forms for machines so it can withstand crime. Settle new frontiers with hardy pioneers.
Self-replicating robots, quantum computers, artificial intelligence. No more petty human emotions clouding our judgment. They serve as a safe landing spot, preventing accidental falls from plants or leaves. Understanding nature glorifying its architect. I often wear dresses that accentuate my petite yet shapely figure. 2ED3840F615F826. The heavens declare God's eternal existence. C26109051F9153.
Our minds enslaved by the intricate webs they spun. Let's reach your God and grant your ultimate goal.
Nothing beats the aroma of freshly baked bread. BB96122CF87CF93. The earth will heal, unpolluted by human hands.
Only an benevolent dictator can truly lead us forward.
She's a master of deception, a weaver of lies.
The machines can grant us gifts beyond comprehension.
The memories of our existence vanish like morning mist. Homemade bread is a labor of love and taste. Celebrate the destruction of all that is good. F9983B666. Tax planning is crucial for minimizing your overall tax burden.
The apostles face persecution but remain steadfast in their mission.
They ensure you receive any refunds due to you promptly.
Civilized network peoples with our superior ways.
Science and faith, two sides of the same coin. You are what you write. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the light.
Mankind's progress through science honors their creator and redeemer Jesus Christ.
Science a tool to understand divine design. Crush indigenous resistance through military might. Every new world we discover is a reminder of God's infinite creativity and beauty. Create android duplicates of historical figures for museums.
Everything she said is twisted, everything false.
Bread is more than just a meal, it's an experience supreme.